Welcome to Mawjan, where the gentle rhythm of the waves meets the pinnacle of modern luxury. Imagine waking up to the endless blue of the Arabian Gulf, right from your window. Located along the stunning Ajman Corniche, Mawjan is setting a new standard for beachfront living. It's a masterful blend of natural beauty, intelligent design, and incredible long-term investment value. This isn't just another property development, it's a complete seaside lifestyle, meticulously crafted for those who desire comfort and opportunity, all within one prestigious address. Mawjan Ajman is an exclusive residential community, a true beachfront haven, offering a curated selection of studios, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments. Each home has been designed with open flowing layouts to maximize space and light, offering either full or partial sea views that will take your breath away. Picture floor-to-ceiling glass that dissolves the boundary between indoors and out, leading to spacious balconies where you can feel the sea breeze. The modern interiors are a symphony of light, air, and comfort. From cozy, efficient studios, perfect for a dynamic lifestyle, to our luxurious family units, designed for making memories. Every home is a masterpiece, crafted to bring the serene beauty of the sea right into your living space. This is more than a home. It's your personal sanctuary by the water. Now, let's talk about location. Because in real estate, it's everything. Mawjan is perfectly nestled in Al Rumaila 2, one of Ajman's most sought-after and prestigious districts. It offers that rare, perfect balance of tranquility and connectivity. You're just a 25-minute drive from the vibrant heart of Dubai. This prime position gives residents incredibly quick access to major business hubs, world-class education, and endless leisure activities, all while allowing you to return to the peaceful embrace of your coastal home. Imagine your evenings: a leisurely walk along the beautiful Corniche, a delightful dinner at a seaside restaurant, or quality family time at one of the nearby parks. At Mawjan, everything you need and love is just moments away, right at your fingertips. Let's dive deeper and explore the exceptional home options available inside Mawjan Ajman. Mawjan have something for everyone. First, the studio apartments. These are compact, elegant, and incredibly efficient spaces, making them ideal for young professionals starting their journey or for savvy investors looking for a high-yield asset. They range from 450 to 550 square feet, with prices starting at just 583,000 dirhams. Next, the one-bedroom apartments. These are perfect for couples or single residents who desire a little more privacy and comfort. With generous layouts from 750 to 1,200 square feet, they offer a separate living area and a peaceful bedroom retreat. Prices for these beautiful homes start 1 million dinar. For growing families, 2-bedroom apartments are an excellent choice. They're incredibly spacious and bright, designed for those who love open-plan living and stunning sea views. Spanning 1,300 to 2,000 square feet, they provide ample room for family life, with prices starting at 1.8 million dirhams. Finally, for the ultimate in beachfront luxury, presenting 3-bedroom apartments. These are expansive, premium residencies featuring panoramic, wraparound balconies that put you front and center with the ocean. With sizes from 1,800 up to 2,500 square feet, this is true coastal opulence. Prices for these exclusive homes begin at 2.7 million dirham. And remember, every single apartment, regardless of size, includes premium finishes, built-in wardrobes, state-of-the-art, modern kitchens, and high-quality fittings, all designed for a life of elegance and effortless comfort. Owning your dream beachfront apartment at Mawjan should be as seamless and stress-free as the lifestyle it offers. That's why I created a highly flexible 5-year payment plan. Here's how it works. You can secure your unit with a down payment of just 10 to 15% upon reservation. Then, during the construction phase, you'll make manageable monthly or quarterly installments, totaling up to 45% of the property value. The remaining balance of 40% is only due upon completion, right when you get the keys to your new home. This thoughtful plan allows you to secure your dream home at today's prices while comfortably spreading the payments over several years. It is an absolutely excellent and accessible option for both inducers looking for their forever home and for investors aiming to maximize their portfolio with a prime asset. At Mawjan, every single day feels like a 5-star vacation. Your lifestyle here is one of unparalleled convenience and luxury. You'll have direct, private access to the pristine beach, just steps from your door. Imagine starting your day with a swim in the sea or relaxing by our temperature-controlled swimming pools. The community is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens and peaceful green courtyards, creating a serene atmosphere. For families, there is dedicated children's play areas, and for your fitness goals, a fully equipped state-of-the-art gym. You won't even have to leave the community for a coffee or daily essentials, with on-site cafes and retail outlets planned for your convenience. And of course, your peace of mind is our top priority, with 24/7 security, professional concierge services, and dedicated covered parking for all residents. Here, you don't just own an apartment, you truly own a world-class lifestyle. Let's discuss the incredible investment potential. Ajman's real estate market is experiencing a significant upward trend, making right now the perfect time to invest. Properties located along the prestigious Corniche, like Mawjan, consistently enjoy high rental yields, strong resale value, and steady capital appreciation. When you compare it to the markets of Dubai or Abu Dhabi, Ajman offers much more affordable entry prices without compromising on the level of luxury, infrastructure, or lifestyle. By purchasing a property in Mawjan today, you are not just buying a home, you are securing a prime, income-generating beachfront asset that is projected to grow substantially in both demand and value over the coming years. This is a smart, strategic move for your financial future. Mawjan Towers is so much more than a destination. It's a bold vision of modern coastal living brought to life. Whether you're searching for your dream home by the sea or a solid, high-growth investment for your portfolio, this is your exclusive opportunity to own a piece of Ajman's bright future. Think about it. Spacious, light-filled layouts, breathtaking, uninterrupted sea views, and flexible, accessible payment plans are all waiting for you. Don't let this wave of opportunity pass you by. Contact us today to receive the latest updated floor plans, detailed pricing, and to learn about our limited time offers exclusively for early buyers. Your new beachfront life starts right here, right now at Mawjan Towers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.